And when people come here, they have an opportunity to meet the farmers that are growing their food, or meet the beekeeper who is producing the honey that they're putting on their cereal in the morning, and build relationships with them. My name is Chelsea Tavares, and I am the Executive Director of the Provo Farmers Market. We operate every weekend on Saturdays. We open at 9 a.m. and we close at 2. We are located in Pioneer Park, which is the oldest park in Provo. They've installed a splash pad, there's a pavilion, and there are tons of shady trees. So if you wanted to just come and see all the vendors and sit under a shady tree and enjoy yourself, it would be perfect. Our focus and our emphasis is on locally grown agriculture and locally sourced foods and goods and crafts and arts. Anything that would be in season for a gardener that they might not have planted or had the room or the opportunity to grow themselves, but they know it's in season, most likely we're gonna have it. We have buskers that come and play music, and we also have people who come and do lessons. We have kids yoga in the park once a month. Those kinds of bigger events will be posted on our social media, so either on our Facebook page or Instagram. This is a really wonderful community, and there are so many great artists and arts and crafts and bakers, and there's just so much talent in this valley. It's just a great place to come get fresh food and enjoy what is here in Utah.